me, what are we doing about it? Bwana Victor, Bwana Omolo, it is true that we have interns as teachers. And let me explain why we decided to go the route of interns. We have a very serious problem of shortage of teachers. In fact, our shortage is in the region of 140,000 teachers. That is the shortage we have in our schools. In fact, yesterday I was in a school in, I don't remember the name of the school. I don't know who. We had a school there. The MP for Nyatike was telling me there was a school, not Agenga, the other school there. He told me there were 200 students with one teacher from government. You know, that's how serious the whole thing is. So what did I do? I looked at the numbers and I said, we have 300,000 teachers out there, trained. In fact, some of them are about to go to retire before they get a job. Some of them are teaching in some school, they are paid 5,000 shillings. Yeah? So what did I do? I decided, I said, we have a big shortage of teachers, we have a big pool of trained teachers, and we have schools that have no teachers. If I had decided to hire permanent and pensionable, I would have hired maybe 12,000 or 13,000. So I decided, let me take this big pool of teachers who are unemployed. Let me hire them as interns. I will have sorted out two problems. I will have somebody who was earning nothing or 5,000, now earning 25,000. And I will have a student who has no teacher, at least there will be a teacher in class. With one guarantee that after 2 years of internship, you will get a permanent and pensionable job. Now, the good news, Bwana Victor, is that all the 46,000 teachers that were interns, I am going to confirm them in the next 2 months. The process, we have given the money for their confirmation. Now, Teacher Service Commission is working on the process to confirm all of them. And I want to thank them because they have done a wonderful job. In fact, our education numbers has improved because of the JSS teachers. They have really done a good job. If there are any JSS teachers in this room, congratulations, you guys are solid patriots of the Republic of Kenya. And the whole, and all of them. My assurance to you is that we have provided the resources for all of you to be confirmed. I will get an additional 20,000 interns. I will confirm them further down the road as we make progress. Of course, you know, Victor, that there was a little challenge. Some of the unions wanted to incite teachers to go on a strike on a matter that we have already sorted, because the collective bargaining agreement that was negotiated between TSC and the teachers, we have already provided money. In fact, I think by today or tomorrow, every teacher will have their salaries, they will have all their arrears paid for in accordance with the CBA that was signed. So there is absolutely no justification for anybody to tell teachers to go on strike. And I must single out NAT for being understanding and agreeing that once we have sorted out a problem, there is no need for posturing. We need to get down to teaching our children and moving forward as a country. Vincent